Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing the CR-1 and the IR-1 visa. And a question that often comes to me is, how much does it actually cost to get an immigrant spouse visa from Thailand? Well, that depends. It depends on a lot of factors, actually. For example, is this a locally filed I-130? Is the American citizen spouse in question? Is that individual resident in the Kingdom of Thailand? At the time of this video, that can have an impact, as that individual may be able to file with the U.S. Embassy here locally. However, as of March 2020, it is our understanding that that will no longer be the case, as the processing procedures which have been occurring under the auspices of the Department of Homeland Security and their attaches here in Bangkok specifically, they will no longer be operating as of March 2020. So things will sort of change in March 2020 with respect to local filings. But that being said, the facts of the case are going to dictate the cost. Moreover, okay, let's say that a local filing is not possible. Now you have to deal with filing through the United States. Again, that's oftentimes a different cost scenario because the circumstances are different. The other thing you have to keep in mind with respect to this is the facts of the case can result in legal grounds of inadmissibility. So an individual may be considered inadmissible to the United States. They may have a prior criminal conviction, or they may have committed some act without having a conviction, or an act that may not even be illegal pursuant to local law that is considered a ground of inadmissibility pursuant to U.S. immigration law. And under those circumstances, it may be required to deal with something like an I-212 or I-601 waiver in order to get that individual processed in and moved into the United States via the waiver process. So again, the facts are going to dictate the cost. I don't mean to be vague, and I'm perfectly happy to talk to folks who contact us either via email or call us in order to ascertain what they're looking at with respect to the costs of getting an IR-1 or CR-1 visa, specifically from Thailand, but also from greater Southeast Asia. We deal with other cases in other jurisdictions out here, and we have a pretty good, we can pretty well pinpoint what you're looking at as far as total cost pretty quickly. We have a pretty good barometer for that, if you will. And, you know, a pretty short phone conversation, I can pretty well tell you what you're looking at as far as costs go in the specifics of your case, or an email can do the same thing. So those who are interested in understanding the cost of an IR-1 or CR-1 immigrant spouse visa for the spouse of an American citizen here in Thailand should go ahead and contact us, and we'd be happy to provide insight. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.